Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Machine. Today I'm going to introduce to you our house dust collector system. This system can be connected with the hammer mill, can be connected with the dryer, or for your factory dust collection purpose. As you can see, this is the full dust collector system. This system is combined with the upper part. This tank including 96 pieces pipes, the inside pipes with the stronger steel pipe, and on this one is the bottom part with an hopper and two airlocks, and as you can see, the red pipe is the air cylinder to this dust collector. And when you use this dust collector, you need connect with an air compressor system, and it will automatically collect the dust. And also for safety purpose, we have two holes for anti-explosion function for this dust collector. And this dust collector will be selected based on the on our customer tumbler air volume, air pressure, and the motor power of the tumbler. So if you have any requirement for this house dust collector system, you can tell us your specifications of your tumbler, and we will choose the best selector for you. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.